Reverse parking.
Yeah, so the plan is today because last session when we went for our driving, you were struggling with the right turns. Remember, you cut corners from like 2-3 right turns.
Yeah.
Can you explain to me your mistake? What happened?
So when I will right turn, I need to in the middle in the reference is the white line, my car.
Okay, so
Then after I will turn in the right.
okay, so today we're gonna go out. There's like few junctions in there. So first we're gonna go and fix that mistake. Then we come back here and then we're gonna do the reverse bay parking. So today we need to fix our right turns first because we were struggling with this last lesson. Okay.
Okay.
So when we driving, the responsibility of the car is yours. Okay. So completely like whatever's like happening in the road, this is your responsibility because you are in this driving seat. I've got these two controls. Okay. So whenever like if you're struggling, if you don't see any hazard or anything on the road, so this means I'm gonna steer for you or I'm gonna brake for you. So this means I'm only helping you, okay? Not like undermining you or anything. So if you don't see an incident, for example, if the cyclist is coming or anything, so I just hold your steer or I brake for you because you didn't see the cyclist. Like remember in last session?
Yeah.
On the 20 road, there was a cyclist approaching, you didn't slow down.
Yeah,
So
I remember.
If the cycle approach on the road and you don't brake, you don't slow down, I'm gonna brake for you. This means I'm helping you, okay? But if you see the hazard, if you brake down early, this means absolutely fine. So last session, because you were struggling with lots of places like right turn, everything, if you score yourself from 0 to 10, what's the score? Because we need to improve in this lesson. But give yourself from the last session score. Give yourself. Like on the scale, if you just give yourself, like in school, they give you scores from 0 to 10. So what's your score? Because we want to improve that score in this lesson today.
I think so. It's 4 or 5.
Okay, out of 10 is 4. Okay, so today our aim is end of the lesson, we need to fix all those faults and then we need to move on reverse bay parking. So this is our goal for today's lesson. Okay. So when we go out, let's see how we're gonna achieve this lesson. Okay.
Okay.
So we discussed the responsibility. We discussed. I just told you about the these controls as well. I explained to you and the kind of the help, level of the help, like which level like you want me to help you if you don't understand on the road. Can I remind you or prompt you when you see the hazard, which kind of help you want from me?
Just you can remind me.
Okay, so I can remind you and then when you are okay, then I can give you responsibility so you can do it yourself.
Yeah.
So okay, so on few rounds I'm gonna guide you, remind you or prompt you, and then if you are better with everything, then I'm gonna give you more responsibility so you can do it yourself, everything. Okay. So slowly I'm giving you extra responsibilities. So I'm gonna give you directions in good time, otherwise you're gonna follow the road sign and floor marking. Okay.
Okay.
So but if you need any help, anything, I'm here to help you. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna move off from here. So end of this car park, you are turning left. Then when we go end there, you are turning right. Okay. Let's get ready. When you're ready to move off, tell me.
Okay, now I'm ready.
Okay. Good. Which way are you going?
Left ear.
Okay. Where are you looking when you're turning left here? Where are you looking?
The both side.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Now we are doing the right side.
No signal, we're gonna go this way. This is the left lane, so we need to be on the left lane. We go out end of the road right.
Okay.
Keep moving because no one's coming this side. Okay. Good.
We are going in the right side.
Yes.
Right turn.
So which way we need to signal? Good. And where we gonna look first? Good. Tell me where you gonna look.
Both
There?
side.
Okay. So we go ahead. Keep going ahead, okay? When you see the new sign, just tell me. The speed
Yeah, I
sign.
see the speed limit.
Okay.
There is a 30.
Fine.
20 is finished. Now it start is 30.
Good. Okay. So 30 mean you just increase your speed.
When I increase the speed, I need to check if the center mirror, left side and right side mirror.
Center mirror, why you checking center mirror?
Because if any car in the behind or pedestrian or cyclist or car, because of I speed up,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
do I need to check is when I speed up?
Yeah,
the
if you
center mirror?
if you're slowing down, you need to check, and if you're increasing your speed, you check. Okay. Whenever you're doing anything in the car, center mirror check. Okay. So remember this again. So we're gonna go ahead. No, it's good. Look at the road. Is the road clear? So when the road clear, we increase our speed. Because road speed is 30, is nice and clear. So okay, just go evenly on it, okay? These bumps are really, these speed bumps are high. So we're gonna take second road on our left. Second on the left. Second road.
Okay.
This
That one is fast.
Yeah, second.
Second.
Yes. Good.
The speed limit is 20.
Okay, good. Keep going ahead now. And we're gonna try to fix these faults. So few right turns, I'm gonna show you how to turn right properly. I'm gonna guide you on few.
There is
And
obstruction, so I turn a little bit right side and I go is like walking distance because both
Talk me
side.
through, yeah? Fine. It's just reduce your speed a bit.
Yeah.
That's fine, good. So end of this road, turn left please. Is your signal on? So why we checking our left mirror?
If someone coming in the left side,
Okay.
so center mirror and left side mirror, I need to check.
Okay. Now keep going ahead. Take this first road on your left. need to be in middle, okay?
Yeah.
So at the crossroad, turn right, please. So when you're turning right from here, with the white line, you need to be straight. We stop straight and then we look ahead, left, right, everywhere, and then if it's safe,
So
then
we are
we
going
turn
in the right.
right. So okay, yeah, signal is fine. We need to be nice and straight with this white line here. And we stop behind the give way line so we can assess the crossroad. I'm gonna guide you on few first. Yeah, and then if it's safe, then we turn good. And then take next road on your right, please. End of this road. Right, right, right,
Oh, sorry.
right. Just calm down, relax, right.
That one is obstruction.
Here, this is a
So-
T-junction closed, okay?
Yeah.
So,
So
here
I
we
need to
creep
cut.
forward.
Is it?
We creep forward and look and then go. We creep forward slowly. Don't rush it. Just we need to stop, check properly because it's a closed junction, okay? Keep going ahead. And then we're gonna follow the road to the right. Keep going ahead. Your speed is very, very low. Just go
No.
because speed is 20.
The one is zone area. So
Yeah.
that's why.
Okay. Take this first road on your right now.
First road.
Yeah, this one. So keep your car straight like this. Move forward. So we're gonna stop here now. Just stop here. I'm just showing you. So whenever you're turning right, is no one here is safe. I'm just showing you the line. So
Yeah,
whenever,
that one is reference.
yeah,
point.
this is your reference. This mirror. So we align this mirror with the white line, and we don't turn from here because if we turn from here, what's the danger?
Because if someone is coming there or one car is here, so that's why I need to.
So
that
that's-
one is wrong way. Is wrong.
That's why we don't cut the corner. You did this in last lesson, which was dangerous near the test center. So I'm showing you properly because there's no one here. It's nice and quiet. No one coming here. So I'm showing you the reference. So always side mirror, align with the middle line, check properly, and then go forward and turn in your own lane. Don't turn here.
Okay.
Okay. So to avoid that danger in an incident, we just turn right from the proper place here. Good.
That one is okay.
Good. Yeah, this is nice
Okay.
now. And then look in the road properly and look at the space, judge the space, how you gonna go in this space, okay? Keep going ahead.
Yeah, less speed and less speed.
Yes. So we make plan early to avoid any bad situation. So we're gonna keep going ahead and then at the crossroad, turn right, please. Remember the position. So mirror signal, position, speed. So MSPSL, remember always. And then we stop here and then ladder start from here. Okay, so look, assess, decide, then go. Is this safe? Yes.
Yeah.
Look, assess, decide, then go. And when you're going, keep looking all around. If it's safe, then end of the road, right, please. So MSPSL, you're fine. Mirror signal, position, speed, and we look and we just stop behind the giveaway line because it's a closed junction. So now ladder routine start, okay? Look, assess, decide. Is it safe?
Yeah.
Then go. Good. Keep going ahead now. no space, so he's gonna stop for you. Go nicely from the gap. Yeah, keep going. Keep going ahead. Keep going ahead this time. End of the road, we're gonna turn right there. But remember the speed and remember the situation on the road. You didn't slow down. It's okay. We're gonna turn right from here now. Remember, mirror, signal, position, speed, look. This is very, very busy road. So we stop behind the giveaway line, creep forward more, look, and then turn. Then turn. And when you're turning, quickly turn because we need to clear the junction. This is the really, really fast and busy road. So we're gonna go ahead. And at the traffic lights we are turning right. So when we're turning right at the traffic light, look at the floor marking. There's a box. We're gonna go in the box and then turn. This is crossing at the light, not here, okay? Keep going ahead. So at these lights we're gonna turn right. So look at the floor marking. Move forward. Not here, there. Lights
Okay.
are there. Look at the floor marking,
Yeah,
floor
I see.
arrow. So we go in the box. Take your car in the box straight, properly. And we stop here on the arrow. We're stopping here. Good. And then when our light go green, we're gonna go. Can you see the arrow on the floor?
Yeah.
So we stop there if cars coming from there like the red car. If no one's coming, then we turn right. He's far, so we can turn. Go on the arrow and turn. And turn. Turn quickly because you're not turning quickly. Keep going ahead. And then take second road on your right. This is first, second. Not this one.
That one?
This is first. Second is there. This one. So we need to be straight now. Remember how we're gonna turn right. So if the car's coming, but he's not coming. If he's coming, we stop. If he's not coming, it's clear, we turn right. From the right place, remember? Like this. Well done. This is the right, correct position now. Now you know how to do it properly. Look at the space and look at the situation.
Yeah, let's see speed.
So you just slow down and keep it here in middle. Because if you go really close with this car or this car, you're gonna hit the car. So remain in the middle. Okay, keep going. And now he's stopping for us, so come to the left. This crossroad, turn right. And this time you're gonna do it yourself. I want to see how you do it independently, okay? End of this road, turn left, please. If you're doing any mistake, I'm gonna remind you. Otherwise, you do it independently, okay? Everything.
There is a
So-
car, so I need to.
Please slowly, my side,
Yeah.
side. Okay? Because there's a van there.
Van and both sides is parking,
Yeah.
so I need to less speed.
Okay. Good.